We're here at Brown's, located at 2447 Bloor Street West. It's a great spot for all sporting goods. You're literally at the corner of Jane and Bloor. Really good location right beside the TTC. This location's been here for over 50 years. Let's go check it out. I'm here with JP, who's the manager here at Brown's. So a really cool store. I didn't even know you had the second floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I can see who you're catering to.
Yeah, mostly cyclists. Triathlon and bike fitting, I've kind of developed a bit of niche. We've been around at this location for over 50 years and been in business since 1929. Long history. We stopped doing hockey, but we used to do everything to the Toronto Maple Leafs up until 1971. Now we mostly focus on bicycles. We do tennis, badminton, squash, and we do restring rackets, and we do still sharpened skates.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So kind of like you have everything, any kind of store.
Back in the day, it was always a general sports store. We even used to do motorcycles back then. When we came to this location 50 years ago, they couldn't get the licensing to sell the motorcycles, and it was kind of a blessing in a way because bikes have exploded in popularity and motorcycles have not.
So back to the Leafs. So
Yeah.
you're saying like you have some memorabilia downstairs from like
Yeah.
Is that for sale or is that just
No, that's just keepsakes for for the shop.
Exactly.
Memories.
Well, I noticed that we're walking up, there's all this Leaf stuff, that's where we got into the conversation. So,
Yeah.
So maybe the Leafs need to start coming back here to
Maybe
win a cup. They haven't won a cup since they stopped using their equipment here. So.
Yeah, we stopped in 70, 71, and they haven't won since 67.
So Toronto Maple Leafs, this is a note to you, come to Brown's.
Yeah.